to unlock Dragon Talon, one of the fiery fighting styles in Blox Fruits? Here's the full step-by-step guide. Requirements: you must be in the 3rd C. Recommended level, 1975 or higher. You need at least 400 mastery on Dragon Breath. Once you meet both requirements, it's time to get the Fire Essence. Step 1. Get Fire Essence. Head to Haunted Castle and find the Death King NPC. You'll need to roll random surprises, which cost 50 bones each. You can roll up to 10 times every 2 hours. Bones drop from any NPC at Haunted Castle, so grind there until you have enough. Fire Essence is a rare drop, so it may take several rolls to get. Step 2. Unlock Dragon Talon. Once you obtain Fire Essence, go to the Dragon Talon Trainer NPC at Haunted Castle. Interact with him, and he'll take the Fire Essence. After that, pay 3 million money and 5,000 fragments to unlock Dragon Talon. If you give him the Fire Essence but don't have enough money or fragments, don't worry. The essence will be saved until you return. Dragon Talon has strong visuals and good range, but the M1 speed is slower than other styles. It's best used situationally in PvE or combos. And that's how you unlock Dragon Talon in Blox Fruits. Follow for more Blox guides, and let me know if you want a full mastery farming tutorial for Dragon Talon next.